welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. We're starting a series on my channel. So I'm going to be bringing to you guys videos of my top favorite drugstore products from each like category, if that makes sense. So like my top 5 favorite drugstore foundations, concealers, bronzers, highlights, blushes, lashes, everything that you can think of that you put on your face during your makeup routine. I've been literally working so hard at this for like the past few months, trying to figure out my favorites for everything. So yeah, I'm super excited to start this channel. So if this is something that you want to see, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss a future upload from me. So if you're interested in seeing my top 5 favorite drugstore foundations, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so before we start, I just want to clarify that for every single foundation, I'm using the same primer. I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I use this a lot. I love this. I'm very familiar with it, so I just wanted to make that clear. And I'm also using the same brush for all. So this is the Believe Beauty foundation brush. Love this brush. It's going to give you an airbrush finish for your foundation, and it is so good. I think it's like $3.50. You can't beat it. So yes, the title says 5 and my series is top 5, but I just couldn't choose from all of my foundations that I threw in 2 to 3 extras for you. Lucky you. But I'm just gonna start with what I'm wearing today, and this one is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. This stuff I have been loving, and I am so late to the game on this one. This came out like probably 5 years ago or something, but I just now tried it this year and I have been absolutely obsessed with it. As you can see, this is a thicker formula. Like, you put it on your hand, it's really not going to slip and slide anywhere, but I actually like that. It does have a pump application, which to be honest isn't my favorite. I would rather have like an open end because I am a very heavy-handed person. I tend to get too much product. So with a pump application, I can't really put product back into it, but if it's an open-ended product, I can kind of, scoop the product back into the bottle to save it for next time. If you see me looking down, I'm reading all the claims and stuff from my computer, so that is why. It says it's a concealer, it's a foundation, it's a makeup multitasker. Combat defiant under eye circles, unwanted redness, and other skin imperfections with our water-resistant foundation and concealer set. The Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer gives you a bright, bold finish in one flawless skin perfecting step. This smart formula applies evenly to conceal and tone, leaving skin with a naturally beautiful finish. Available in 45 shades, this ultimate foundation and concealer duo provides medium to full coverage for complexion perfection that goes hard all day, every day. This is a long wear, medium to full coverage foundation. I feel like it does go on the skin very dewy, which is not ideal for me because I do have very oily skin, but I just use a matte powder to set my face and I really have no problem after that at all. If you are drier skin, this is going to help keep, hydration in your face all day because it is very kind of dewy. The shade range on this is actually perfect. It has 45 shades. That is so many shades. So really anybody can find their perfect shade. I am wearing the shade Deep Beige. You can find this at like Ulta, Walmart, Target, any of those places. I think CVS too. I'm not sure about that, but it is $9.99 and it is one of the best foundations that I've ever put on my face, including high-end. Next, I'm moving into probably my new favorite foundation. I haven't even been using this foundation that long, but I could not pass on not putting it in my top 5 favorite drugstore foundations because it is so freaking good. Like, I love it. It is the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation. This packaging, first off, is like so bougie and like it looks high-end. You just wouldn't think this is like a drugstore foundation. This, I believe, is only found at Dollar General. This is a Dollar General brand. Again, this one has a pump applicator, which again, I don't love, but it is very classy and just looks really elegant. This is a medium full coverage foundation that blends effortlessly for a flawless look. Its buildable formula blurs imperfections while smoothing your skin. again. It is a thinner formula, I feel like. I will say I do have to use quite a bit, like 5 pumps of this, which again, I am heavy-handed, but the coverage is there. Just so freaking gorgeous. Like, it literally feels like I'm not wearing anything because it is so lightweight, and I just don't even know what to say about it because it's so good. You need it in your life. And I wear the shade Toffee. I believe this foundation comes in 18 shades, which isn't very great, but it's Dollar General, and the foundation is just so good that you can honestly like wipe that little mistake out. A thing that I did get with this is the Believe Beauty foundation brush. If you're gonna go pick up this foundation, check out if they have the brush there as well. I love this foundation, and it honestly might be my #1 foundation right now. That's saying a lot. So $5 at Dollar General. So if you have a Dollar General near you, go there right now and get it. You will not be disappointed. This is just beautiful and I love it so much. Next, we have one of my old favorites that I have been loving for years. It is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the matte plus poreless. And this is for like normal to oily skin, which I am an oily skin gal, okay? I wear the shade 322, which is a warm honey. This has a wide shade range. There's 40 different shades. They also have one that's not matte. They have one for like drier skin that's gonna make your face look more dewy and fresh. So that's really cool. This application is one of my favorites, the one that I was talking about. You can just like dump it out, and then if you're like me and use way too much product, you can just kind of scoop anything back up that you don't use. So that's why I love these. They're probably not ideal, but they're beneficial for me. This Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation is a lightweight foundation. It mattifies and refines pores, leaves a natural seamless finish. This is dermatologist tested and allergy tested, so that is also a plus. So this does leave my face have like a natural kind of like dewy finish at first, but then once you let it sit for a minute, it does dry down to a more matte foundation, which I love because again, oil. This price varies. You can get it at Walmart and Dollar General for cheaper than what you'll find it at like Ulta or online and stuff, but typically you're gonna see a price between like $5.99 to like $7.99, $8. I have been using this stuff for years now. I recently just had to pick up another bottle because I ran out, but I probably will never not have this foundation in my stash of foundations because I love it that much. So yes, love that one. Next, we have another oldie but goodie kind of one. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This is in the shade 465. Again, this is a pump foundation, so don't love that, but I love the foundation enough to use it. As you can see, this foundation is very, very, very runny. Like, it's going to like slip and slide off your hand if you don't keep your hand still or use it fast. This foundation is up to 24-hour fresh wear foundation, provides medium to full buildable coverage that lasts all day and allows the skin to breathe. This formula's 3 oil absorbers resist sweat, water, and transfer. The ultra thin liquid goes on smoothly to give a fresh, healthy looking complexion that lasts. Color stays true and blends in evenly, so your makeup looks fresh all day. It is formulated with SPF. This foundation is suitable for all skin types, and it comes in 30 shades for every skin tone. I don't really think that the claim where it says color stays true. I do feel like this oxidizes, for me at least, a tiny bit. This shade that I am wearing, I do feel like it is one of my lighter foundation shades. As you can see in the clips, I feel like it is looking a little more lighter than my other ones or than my skin tone, but this is the only shade of this foundation that I have, but I do really like it. It is super lightweight, like it says. I love that it has SPF in it. This would be a very good foundation for people to use in the summer because you're gonna put it on your face. You're not gonna really feel like you have anything there, but it does have that SPF in there to help protect you from the sun. You also get a very flawless looking coverage out of it as well. So that is a plus. Again, I feel like it varies from place to place, but the price on this is $14.99. All right, and my fifth foundation that I am going to be showing you guys, it is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. This is a color correcting, full coverage, natural finish CC cream. It has collagen, peptides, and I can't ever say this word, niacinamide. No, it is not technically a foundation, but you apply it on your face as if it was one. I didn't do a showing you guys this one because I actually do have a wear test and a review video on this on my channel already, so I will link that right here and link it in the description as well. This has become one of my favorites. Again, I feel like this is going to be perfect for the summer. I mean, it's perfect all year round, but perfect for the summer with the SPF. It is a medium to full coverage color correcting foundation. It leaves a natural finish. It's formulated with SPF 30 to protect against sun damage. It is a multitasking foundation that provides skincare benefits, which, hello, yes, I need that. It is infused with hydrating and youth boosting ingredients known to improve skin texture and tone. It has hyaluronic acid, which helps provide hydration by locking in moisture, resulting in a plumped up, bouncy complexion. It is infused with skin loving collagen. So love that. I have the shade medium 375N. This is kind of a harder one to pick out because of the shade range. I believe there's only 20 shades for this. It all kind of like depends on your undertone. They have warm undertone, neutral undertone, and cool undertones. But again, this is beautiful on the skin. It's so easy to blend out. It does have a pump applicator. This is basically a dupe for the It Cosmetics CC cream. So if you are planning on going to get that, that is expensive. Get this e.l.f. CC cream. This is $14. It is a little more pricey for e.l.f., but it is so worth it. I think the price for that is pretty fair because of how good this foundation is. You will literally think you're wearing the It Cosmetics because it is so good. But yes, that is number 5. Also gonna throw in 2 other ones because I just love them so much. This one's a new favorite. It is the L'Oreal Paris Skin Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer. I literally just uploaded a video on this today, so I'm not going to do the whole me putting on. I will also link that video right here for you so you guys can go check this out. This has become one of my favorites as well. Like, I just have so many favorites right now. I don't even know if I could pick a top favorite, but this I feel like will be perfect for the summertime, like literally perfect because it is so lightweight, has SPF with it. It's a tinted moisturizer, so again, it's not going to feel like you have anything on your face other than moisturizer. This shade range is absolutely terrible. That's the only downside on this. I think it has 12 shades. I have the shade medium 01, which I feel like I am not a medium 01 kind of gal, but it works for me. I feel like it is a very good shade. This tinted moisturizer is $16.99. So again, a little more pricey for a drugstore, but again, still so worth it. Before you go out and buy this, watch a review on somebody that has similar skin to you because a lot of people I feel like don't really love this, but then I see a lot of people that do. I love it. I've had no problem with it. I feel like it has great coverage. It almost feels like it's full coverage, which is crazy because it's a tinted moisturizer. Oh, it is 70% water infused and it has a blend of aloe vera and witch hazel. I think I've had this for like 4 weeks now or something. This is the only thing other than today that I've put on my face besides this. I'm almost out of this already because I've been using it so much. I can't stop using it. So, and then my last one that I'm gonna throw in here is not technically drugstore, so you can't find this at like Walmart or Target or anything like that, but it is like in the drugstore area if you were to go to Ulta. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. Now again, I don't know why I get hydrating foundations when I'm already oily, but I don't let that scare me away from them because I know I can always set them with the powder and they're gonna be fine. This skin perfecting medium buildable coverage foundation creates a healthy skin-like finish. Get coverage and hydration from the same good for you ingredients like hyaluronic acid for your healthiest looking skin ever. It is a natural finish. It has coconut water, which is known to support hydration and skin softness. It is formulated with fruit extracts to enhance the look of skin by instantly hydrating and diminishing the look of fine lines while delivering hydration over time. It is cruelty free. It is vegan. It has a very good shade range. I believe it comes in 42 different shades, which is really good. It is $16, so it is still very affordable and pretty comparable to some of the other foundations that I showed you guys. But the only thing about this is you can't actually get it at a drugstore. You'd have to go to actual Ulta or online, but it is still a very affordable foundation and a really good one, so I wanted to include that in here for an extra for you guys if you guys have never tried Colourpop. Colourpop is amazing. You need to try all of their stuff. I love this foundation, but I feel like it is way too dark for me. I can really only use it during the summer, so that is why I'm not doing an overview of me putting it on because I feel like it does not match my skin. If I use this anytime other than the summer, I'm usually mixing it with another foundation to create my perfect shade. I know this is a top 5 5 foundation video, but I can't just limit it to 5, okay? I need to give you more options. Okay, you guys, so that is gonna do it for my first series video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I just want to clarify, these are only my preferences on the top favorite. Like, these are just what I feel like are the best foundations that have worked for me. Leave a comment down below if you guys have tried any of these foundations, if you love them, if you hate them, let me know. I want to know your guys' favorites too, so put that down there as well. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next, or just to show some love. I love hearing from you guys and love seeing all your comments on my video. It literally makes my entire day. If you aren't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me or our future series of videos. I'm so excited to continue this series. So yeah, I guess until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Go out and make the world smile. So yeah, if you guys like, or what? I don't know, how do I say that? I can't remember. This is kind of, well, it is a buildable. It's buildable formula. What? Okay, girl. But shit, what the hell is going on?